Collections. In this lecture, I will show you how you create collections in Shopify. Alright, we are going to create collections. Click on products and click on collections. Right over here, I'm going to click on the blue button, create collection. Okay, right over here, I'm going to enter the name of the collection. I'm going to call it men jackets. So all the jackets are going into this collection. I will show it you soon. So I select manual and save. And I will wait. And I will create another collection. And I will call this men's shirts. And this is already at manual. I'm gonna hit save. Here you can add your image for your collection, image collection. But I'm gonna hit save. Okay, it's successfully saved. Why we are doing this? We're doing this because we want to import products in the right category, in the right collection. So I will see you soon.